Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted to help highlight the patterns and colours. There are some of these pieces, like that piece, I don't think you'll be able to do much with, but these other pieces here, they're quite nice little pieces, and you only need 3 or 4 to pay for the parcel. But I'd rather give the pieces to someone. This little piece here, it's got a very fine seam. We'll go in a bit closer so you can get a better look. Okay, here's that piece I was saying. Don't think it's worth anything much, but you can see the blue it's under there, how good it comes out. Very fine seam there. It is very bright. Colours vary, but it's very fine. Might be too fine. The better pieces are in the centre here. Cutting a couple of nice stones if you want a couple of earrings or a long earring, pendant or something. Very fine seam there. Showing that piece. There's 2 better bits there. Those 2 bits are the better bits. Some of these other ones, one that basically they've got just faces on them, moving them. Sorry, I stopped half sentence there, moving them, you just lose them because they roll over and you can't see the faces. But that's it. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.